Fine, let us start solving the problem number 12 here. Right, a train crosses a pole in 10 seconds. If the length of the train is 150 meter, then what is the speed of the train? Here we know that distance is equal to length of the train, right? Length of the train, which is nothing but this is 150 meter. Then they have given time is equal to 10 seconds, right? Now what we need to find? We need to find speed. Speed is equal to what? So we know speed is equal to distance by time, right? Distance is how much? It is 150. Time is 10 seconds, which is going to be 15 meter per second. The speed of the train is 15 meter per second. The option they have given in terms of kilometer per hour, we need to convert, right, into kilometer per hour. So when you are going to convert meter per second to kilometer per hour, what we need to do? So you need to multiply and go with this, right? This or this, right? So you should go with this. This is kilometer to meter. This is meter per second to kilometer per hour. Now what happens here? 15 meter per second into 18 by 5. Now this is for kilometer per hour to meter per second. This is meter per second to kilometer per hour, right? Now we need to convert meter per second to kilometer per hour. That's what I need to multiply by 18 by 5. So now 5 ones are 5 threes are, so this will become 3 into 18, 83 is 72 kilometer per hour. The answer here is C.